All right, everybody, here we are again. So we got the second coat on, it's dry, so let's take a look at what we got. Let me turn this thing around. All right, so second coat is on. This is pretty much almost the final product. There's not much of a difference as far as looks between the first coat, between the second and the last coat. So the last coat's just to kind of give any extra protection on there, but floor looks beautiful. Got off of a FaceTime call with the homeowner and they love it. Originally, they wanted to go with somewhat of a dark stain. And this happens from time to time. We definitely threw about 5 different samples on the floor and they ended up liking this one. So this is kind of like the color they wanted to go right there. They wanted something like that originally, but after seeing this is what they ended up going with. Everything beautiful, room looks so much bigger now and everything. Well, let me go ahead and show you guys a couple things. Did a couple repairs there. So a couple of repairs right there. The termites got to those pieces of wood, so we took them out, replaced them. Everything looks really, really good now. It's the his and hers closet. God, my wife would love that. All right. So that's the finished product. Everybody have a great day. If you need any flooring needs or anything like that, just give us a call. Everyone have a good one.